Good day everyone, I am Jessamine Lebres, a BSHM 3rd year student. So today, I'll make a recipe from Southeast Asian cuisine, found specifically in Singapore. So this dish is called one pot Hainan chicken rice. So for the ingredients, we have here the boneless chicken, the chicken stock, uncooked rice, the 1 stalk of green onion, the ginger, the garlic, salt, virgin oil, and the soy sauce.
With 1 teaspoon of salt, rub it onto the skin of the chicken until they're shiny and clean. Pat them dry with a paper towel. In a deep non-stick pot, rinse your rice with the water a few times until the water runs clear. Pour out the water, then pour in the chicken broth. Add in olive oil, soy sauce, chopped ginger, the garlic cloves, and the remaining salt. Then mix well. With the skin side down, place the chicken on top of the rice and broth mixture, then place the green onion over top, then cover it. Set the covered pot on a high heat until it reaches a boil. Once it comes to a boil, immediately lower the heat to a low and cook for 12 minutes. After the 12-minute mark, shut off the heat but leave the cover pot on the stove to steam out the residual broth. Once cooked, slice your chicken. So let us proceed to our plating presentation.
So at this point, we will now have our taste test together with Miss Jessa Saldaga. So this dish is called one pot Hainan chicken rice. This is the rice, the chicken, and I put some carrots and cucumber and the sweet chili sauce. So let's start. Okay.
For me, the chicken is so tender You can really taste the taste of ginger and the garlic, as well as the green onion. Also, it's a really good combination with the chili sauce, sweet chili sauce, and together with the rice that is not bland. It's just it really complement with the chicken.
For me, this is a delicious recipe, and I agree with you that the chicken is so tender, the rice is well cooked, and it really tastes good.
Yeah.
So I guess that will be all for today's cooking session. See you on the next video. Thank you.
Bye bye.